Yo, well, we're back at First State Historical National Park. We are looking for a bell for our second attempt. A couple weeks ago, I was searching on Google Maps looking for a new place to go explore, and I saw a pin for Bell Trail. We spent a couple hours looking for the bell, but we were unable to find it, so we're back again looking for it. So just left the trailhead. Mason has already found a puddle and is completely covered in mud. Let's go find this bell. Hi, Melon. Is Melon ready to go for a hike? Hey, let's go! You are so money. Stand up. Ah, you're gonna get wet. Up. Oh, your butt's all wet now, bud. Almost 2 hours in. I thought I knew where, or had an idea where the bell was, because it's a different trail that we didn't explore the other day, but so far no luck. But we have found a bunch of mud, and someone is just covered in gooey mud. All over you. You are a mess. Look at it. Everywhere. It's everywhere.
It's on your hat.
Yeah, it's on your hat. It's everywhere. All right, you want to keep looking for the bell?
Yeah, we'll go back to the car and find a different puddle.
Go back to the car and find a different puddle? Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, well, we're turning around, headed back towards the car. No bell on attempt number 2, so we'll have to try again on a different day. Did talk to somebody who had passed it. They kind of showed me the area where the bell is on the map, but we've gone too far today. Someone is soaking wet, covered in mud, and needs a snack. So we're gonna head back to the car, get cleaned up, and we'll try to find the bell on a different day.